So I have a problem with Iman Gadzhi. Well, actually, Iman Gadzhi editors. Not his editors. These editors on Twitter who just keep posting stuff after stuff after stuff after stuff about like, hey, here are these Iman Gadzhi giveaways. Here's my Iman Gadzhi style edit. And like, dude, it's so lame. Like, you're not cool and you're not even good at Iman Gadzhi style editing, half of you. Like, most of you are actually just really bad at it and look like cheap imitations. And that's my problem with video editor Twitter right now in general, is that these editors complain about the market being saturated with editors, but it's not saturated with editors. It's saturated with low quality content editors. It's not saturated with high quality content editors. The high quality content editors are out there and they're crushing it and they're doing a great job at building their brand and building their business, while these low quality editors are doing these dumb giveaway posts and not actually even earning money. I was in a chat the other day with a group of editors and I was like, how many here have even scaled to 1K in their business yet? And no one had. They're all earning pennies on the dollar. Why? Because they're low quality editors who aren't trying. If you want to scale your business, you have to stop being a cheap imitation of something else and become, right, a high quality editor. And what is a high quality editor? It has nothing to do with the effects you use. It has everything to do with how good of a story you tell. You tell an amazing story, you're a high quality editor. I firmly believe that, because an editor makes the story happen. They empower the creator's vision to make the story happen. And I don't care how bad a creator is, and a great editor can help make even kind of bland content more interesting. How? Because they can help tell an amazing story. That's what it's all about. Your job as an editor is to empower story. It's simply that. It is to not throw a bunch of effects on the screen, although at times it will require that, right? It will require effects, and you need to get good at effects and motion graphics. But it's not just that. It's telling an amazing story. It's helping people thrive and succeed so that they can do what they want to do, which is earn money and build their business. That's what every creator wants. They want to earn money and build their business so they can live the dream life. How does an editor help them accomplish that? By telling their story and telling it well. Think about the niche of talking head YouTubers, right? There are several talking head YouTubers that come to mind. The first two are Graham Stephan and Philip DeFranco. And I think of how different they are stylistically. How Graham Stephan doesn't use a ton of motion graphics. It's really just a talking head video with a lot of quick cuts, right? Into B-roll footage or into some video he's reacting to. While Philip DeFranco, it's a lot of motion graphics. It's a lot of animations that help empower the news stories that he is telling. And I think that's so incredibly important for us to understand, that even in the niche of talking head YouTubers, which someone may want to edit for, stylistically, a finance YouTuber like Graham Stephan or a news YouTuber like Philip DeFranco are radically different. And that's okay. That's completely okay. But as an editor, your job is not to critique style or do something outside of a content creator's style guide. No, your job is to empower their story for their specific audience and their specific brand. If you want to succeed as a video editor, learn Iman Gadzhi style, get really good at it, but don't niche down on Iman Gadzhi style. Iman Gadzhi style, there's so many who are just going to be cheap imitations of him, Gary Vee, Alex Hormozi, Patrick Bet-David, all that kind of stuff. Don't be a cheap imitation. Be an amazing editor at telling stories, because that is where the money is found. That is where you can grow your business, is by being a high quality editor who is a storyteller. Get really focused in on stories so that you can succeed. And if you want to keep succeeding and learning, do yourself a favor and click right here so you can do just that.